Can you help him blow, Hank?
Hank, can you blow out the candle?
Can you blow it for him? Blow again. Hard.
Harder. Big breath.
Yay!
That's a lot of icing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you gave him the cupcake with the most icing.
Jordan.
Oh, you want your cookie? Come here.
Should take it out of the cupcake bowl,
Yeah.
maybe.
Alright, Cash, rip it up. It would have happened eventually.
Yeah.
Eat it.
Go for the icing first, Cash. That's a messy part. I know what it is.
Forgot to take his shirt off.
It's okay. That shirt was stained. I didn't even notice.
Yawn.
I'm so bored with this.
Is that yours? Is that yours? You want to see Cash?
Take a bite. Eat it. There's his first taste of it.
Should I just grab a cupcake?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.
Dig in, you guys. You can get a cupcake.
Did you take a picture of the cake yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that good?
Now we're shoveling.
I like this part. You want a cupcake too? Okay.
Let's see that baby face.
All right. Let's get you some cupcakes.
Okay. Safe place to sit her. Okay, how about that chair?
Such a thing.
I'm going to put a punch
Got some cake in there, too.
You want his head? Here, kids, you have it here? Or do you want blue legs?
Okay. He wiped it off.
What hat?
This off.
Somebody has a new Vado, huh?
Yeah.
Cash.
Is it yummy?
Cash.
Yeah, what are all these people doing?
Yeah.
Gracious.
There you go.
Hank, what part of the bear do you want? You want the bear's leg?
That sounds good.
This leg right here?
I'll have the bear steak.
Ooh, look.
So how is it? Is that the new one, the HD? It got a great review. Steve made me read every one.
Yeah,
Sorry.
It didn't run on Sasha's computer at all, but she has a Pentium. Now I have a Pentium 4, and it looks really nice. And it'll convert when it uploads to YouTube. Pretty easy, too.
Oh, okay.
No, it's a good one.
I'm gonna be sugar comatose pretty quick. Hold it.
I'm gonna get some punch.
What?
Mommy's punch?
Cash, say bye-bye. Bye.
You want a fork?